we're in our car. We just dropped off the baby at the sitters, which is great. He can still go to most of his sitters' houses, which is so really nice. So we still get a little time at home, but without the toddler. So that's really nice. Say hi. Are you gonna drive?
I'm gonna drive. Hi,
okay.
I'm driving.
So today we just wanted to check in and say hello. Like, we're missing people. Our ballroom is closed, so we have no group classes, no private lessons, no rehearsal for show. Look at his sad face. All of our weddings got postponed, so like we're at home. But we are joyfully finding the silver lining in all of this chaos, and we hope that you guys are too. So one of our silver linings right now is that regardless of all this COVID chaos, we had a home remodel scheduled to happen this month. And it's still happening. Yay! Like, I'm so glad that this awesome guy who's doing all the work for us is still doing it. And we're doing a remodel because we've got the new baby coming. And new baby should be here around May 15th. So we're doing the remodel. So what a nice time to kind of be stuck at home when you only have like a billion projects to do anyways. So we're being really grateful for that. That's been fun. And we're actually going to do a tour of the house today. And we're going to show you even the parts that aren't done. You can sense my tentative nature about it. It's like showing a show before the show's done. It's like you're in rehearsal process and then you start selling tickets to the show. We don't do that, but we're going to, because we miss you guys, and this is what we're doing. It's like new Melonlight is basically the house right now. So it's not. We still have the ballroom. It's just sitting there sweet and empty. So that's one thing we're doing. We are gonna show you the house. We're gonna tell you about the remodel because we're really excited. And then the other thing that maybe you've heard about, hopefully, we are launching an online dance series for couples. It's called Quarantine Dance Dates. Now it's kind of funny because we've been only planning to launch some online lessons for, I don't know, like 2 or 3 years now, and we just haven't made it happen yet. So what a perfect time where it's like, oh, well, all of my other work has been taken away, so I guess we got to do something here. So we're really excited about this. It's going to start on Thursday, Quarantine Dance Dates. I'm going to tell you more about it in a minute. We're almost home. Wait, where are you going? We don't live this way.
We gotta buy some time. We need more people to watch.
Oh, he's taking the long way home.
It's the scenic route.
It's the scenic route.
It's so pretty here.
I did see there's this sign in this really pretty wall in Harrison where we were a few weeks ago antique shopping, and there's this really pretty mural wall. Maybe you know what I'm talking about, and it's I don't know, it's got like big flowers on it or something, and it says always take the scenic route, which I love. Because we're typically late. That's been another silver lining. I haven't been late in 2 weeks because I haven't had to go anywhere. So that's been great. So, okay, so quarantine dance dates are about to come. Now, these are designed for couples. These are lessons designed for couples. They're going to come from our living room to yours, and it's going to be a 5-week series that we're going to deliver live on Facebook, just like this right now. It's going to be really fun. So I think one of the things I'm most excited about, you know, Ray and I have been teaching for 15 years now. So we've worked with thousands of students, lots and lots of couples, and we teach probably about 25 different dances. Sorry, it's really shaky, I just realized, because we're bouncing in the Jeep. So we teach about 25 different ballroom dances. So cha-cha, rumba, merengue, foxtrot, mambo, salsa, waltzes, all that kind of stuff. But what we've also learned after all these years of teaching and working, I'm talking about couples specifically in this moment, is that the real magic of it is not like in the specific dance or the specific technique of a particular dance, like a foxtrot or a cha-cha. The real magic is in the connection. It's the language of lead and follow, and that's what we've both become so passionate about teaching. And that's where I think like magic and fireworks start happening for couples. It's not like, oh, we have this deep desire to be masters of the cha-cha. No, it's that like you want to connect.
We do.
Well, we do, but we're in a different, you know what I mean? It's different. It's our profession. But we understand that that's not exactly where you're coming from. That desire, that kind of old world desire to dance with your loved one is not rooted in the technique of the cha-cha-cha. It's rooted in, you know, spending time with your loved one in an intimate way. And that's still happening. Like, we haven't lost that. Like, I often wish that we were, you know, alive in the 40s and that kind of golden age of ballroom dancing where everyone knew how to dance, and everywhere you went there was dancing available. The dance floor was open, you know, and it kind of like, maybe we should have been in that era. But no, we shouldn't, because this is our era. And so I think that this is one way that we can, I touched my face. Did you guys see that? I touched my face. We have Lysol wipes. So I think that's one way that we can, in this era, say, hey couples, like, dancing is still romantic and it's still relevant and you can still do it, and here's how. So one of the things that we're gonna do in this course, Quarantine Dance Dates, is not focus on a particular dance like cha-cha or foxtrot or waltz or something like that. We're actually gonna focus on really basic movements and connection. So how do you communicate those basic movements to your partner? Because that's where the magic is. It's like this really fun silent conversation. It's really cool experience, and it's like any learned skill, you know, like if you were learning a new language or learning to play an instrument, it's not instantaneous, it's learned, and so it gets more fun as you refine it. And now, like, you know, Ray and I have been dancing together for 20 years?
Close to
20, just about 20 years, 15 years doing actual partnership dance. And so our communication, that nonverbal silent communication we have when we dance, has gotten really refined. So it's magic and it's fun, and we're gonna keep it really light and fun.
We're back.
We're back. Sorry, there's a vortex right by our house where the internet drops away. So we're home now. So I'm gonna shift gears. I'm gonna talk to you more about dancing in a little bit, but we're gonna shift gears to the other project we've been focusing on, which is the home remodel.